my name is Lauren Sandler and I'm the Learning Specialist at the UF Teaching Center. In this video session, we'll be going over mid-semester tips. First, let's take some time out to pause and reflect. Throughout this presentation, think about where you are in the present semester. Evaluate the past, and then plan for the future. First, let's talk about assessing where you stand. On one sheet of paper per class, write down all of the grades that you've received so far. Then, write some of the progress that you've made on some ongoing projects. And think to yourself, if your semester were to end today, what would your grade be? Is this the grade that you want? If it is, great, more power to you. But if it's not, let's talk about some strategies we can use to help improve your grade for the end of the semester. First, we're going to evaluate the past. To learn from your mistakes, you must first identify them. Think about what you have done that has not worked. Think about what you have not been doing. Also, go over your past tests and see where you've been struggling. Some common problems that many students encounter is skipping class. Think about the costs. First, you have the financial costs. It costs about $10.42 per class. But then also, if you're not going to class, you may lose out on some essential knowledge. Also, some students go to class, but they don't do the reading beforehand. If you read before class, your lecture becomes an enhancement of the text. You'll be able to know exactly what your professor is talking about and be able to identify any problem areas that you may have so that you can talk to your professor or TA after class. Also, some students do not take notes when they are in class. So when you're doing that, try to take active notes. When you're taking active notes, you're paraphrasing, translating, recasting, and reinforcing the material so that it's in your own words and you're better able to remember it in the long term. Also, a lot of students fall into the trap of procrastinating because of poor time management. And for more information on time management, visit our video resources page for more information. Also, you want to identify and build upon your strengths. The whole semester wasn't bad, so what have you done that has worked? Have you done better in one class rather than another? And why are you doing better in Class A than Class B? Is it because they're different subjects? Is there a different interest level? Maybe the professor's teaching style aligns better with your learning style. Take these strengths and use them to overcome any obstacles that you encounter. So now that we've evaluated the past, let's plan for the future. In the future, we want to make the changes that your evaluation has suggested. Read all of the material that your professor assigns. Take after-class notes to help reinforce the material that you just learned. And then also plan out your study time so that you're studying specific material during each one of your sessions. Ask yourself, if I keep doing what I've been doing, what will happen? And now it's time to create a fresh start. Don't let a flawed first half of a semester ruin the rest of your term. Determine your maximum potential grade that you can get and make that your new goal. Reevaluate the goals that you made at the beginning of the semester and revise them if necessary. If you plan to implement a new study strategy, give it at least 2 weeks to see its effects. For more information, visit the UF Teaching Center website. We have individual study skills appointments, we have video resources on a variety of topics, and we have walk-in and private tutoring for your course-specific questions. We look forward to seeing you soon, and good luck.
The Teaching Center, UF's Learning Resource Center.